What's up, guys? JT, Team FAS Motorsports. Today we got another sponsor package that came in. This is from PCI Race Radios. They are hooking us up, sponsoring our Racer Pro R. So it's awesome of them. Big shout out to them. We really appreciate it. So we'll go ahead. I just cut open the box, but I haven't taken anything out yet. So we'll go ahead and check out what's in the kit. This is the Trax kit with the upgraded Kenwood radio with headsets. So you can order it with over the headsets, behind the headsets, or a helmet kit. And they do make this, they do make their radios either in a race version or a chase version. So, you know, whatever your application is pretty much what you're gonna wanna go for different races. That's if you are a racer. So yeah, we're excited to get this on the car. And we've had communication in some loaner vehicles that we've had in the past. And it is for sure a game changer. You know, once you have that Bluetooth your phone and your music and everything right through the headsets, and it is crystal clear. You hear it loud and clear over the engine. So it's definitely an excellent upgrade. So we'll go ahead and open this up and see what's inside the kit here. So okay, first I guess we'll go ahead and this is your mount. Right there, if you guys can see that. This is gonna go below your switches in the Pro R, Turbo R, Pro XP. So it does fit all of those models. This just takes the place of your lower switches there, and just puts the radio and all your stuff right into your dash. So it's gonna be above basically your cigarette lighter plug, and it'll take out that middle tray with that rubber mat in it. So you're gonna pull that out. This is gonna slide in its place. And that's where your radio and all your controls will be. So that's the bracket. Then this is cool. This is our the headsets. First impressions, just looking at them. Nice carbon fiber. Really nice. Let me come over there so you guys can see this a little better. Got carbon fiber here on the side. But you can see how nice and soft this is. And then real nice, they even give you covers to put over them when you're not using them. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put this on, see how it feels. Yeah, so initial impression, this is super comfy. I'm really pleased with this headset. It's real nice. And honestly, I can't hear anything right now. So this is extremely sound deadening. So I mean, if you've used, you know, higher end stuff, you know, for gaming or just when you're traveling, you know, over the head headphones that are noise canceling, you know the difference between earbuds and these. So really awesome. This is fully adjustable, which is nice, and it's definitely not flimsy. It sticks right in place, which is really cool. Yeah, pretty pumped about getting this on our car. So that's the headset. So again, this is a complete kit. So if you buy the kit off of our website, Team FAS Motorsports, this is what's going to be in the box. The only upgrade is going to be the radio. You have two choices of radio, the stock or the Kenwood. The Kenwood's a higher output, more clarity, louder music, and I believe it takes a little less power to run this new radio. I'll have to check the specs again, but when we do the install video, I'll make sure to put all those specs in there, or I'll throw something on the screen down below. All right, so this is going to be our radio. Stickers. So this is our hand mic. All of our wiring. I'll go ahead and bring this over. But this is the Kenwood PCI radio. You can see that there. And again, this plug here is where your controls and stuff will go. That obviously you don't put that back in once you take it out, but buttons feel real good. They don't have like that click to them. They're kind of a nice soft button. Real nice setup. And simple install. It's mostly plug and play, everything. Got our other headset here. These do come in 2 and 4 seat kits. Obviously we have a 2-seater. This is gonna be a 2-seat kit, but if you had a 4-seater, you're just going to order for 4-seat, and it'll come with 4 headsets or 4 helmet mounts, however you want to do it. Nice thing about this is, if you do decide to, let's say, run an air pumper helmet or something in some dusty conditions, or if you're a racer, they can, you know, you can kind of just get the helmet kits and run them in the helmet with your communication, with your pumper hooked up. Everything works together, so that's pretty cool. This is going to be your antenna. This is a non-ground, I believe they call it. I have to look that up, but I believe this is a non-ground antenna. So this is going to be the antenna that you want for aluminum roofs. If you're mounting on a roll cage or something steel, you're going to want a grounded antenna. So one or the other, but we're going on the aluminum roof. This is the one that we needed. And here is the antenna itself. I'm not going to undo it. We're going to put it back in the box. But again, nice. Obviously, you can see it's flexible. It's not going to snap hitting the tree in the woods. Right here. This is a line filter. From what I believe the line filter does, and I have to double check on this, but I believe this is a negative ground line filter, which sometimes if you're ever in an older car, turn the radio on and you kind of hear that weird noise it makes accelerating and stuff like that. I believe this is the box that takes all of that out and just keeps everything crystal clear. I'm going to double check on that. Again, I'll put that stuff all in the install video. This is our first look at the system, this system particularly. So I'm definitely going to educate myself a little bit more on these, especially that we are selling them now on our website. I'll get you all the details. I'll be up to date on everything. So this is the 2-person Trax Plus kit. So this is the radio stereo, does your squelch and all your stuff, your overall volume. This is Bluetooth. You know, I'll just read the specs off here to you. In-car communication system for UTVs, pre-runners, boats, sand cars. So that is cool. It says boats. So I would assume this is obviously IP rated, semi-water resistant. Favorite music and true stereo sound. So another thing on the Kenwood and this radio setup, the Trax system, is you have a true right and left for your stereo instead of just all of it mono. Voice activated intercom mutes the music when you talk into the mic, allowing for easy in-car communication. 5-pin connectors for separate audio channels. It is Bluetooth for music and telephone conversations, and an optional DSP upgrade for extreme noise cancellation. So we'll open this up, and right away you have your push to talk. It's a Velcro mount. So let's see here, 2 of these. We have 2 of these. So one is going to go on, in our Pro R, we're putting one on the passenger side handrail. So what's nice is Velcro. You can put it on anything, round, square, it don't matter. So we're going to put it right there on that passenger side grab rail. We'll put one of these, and then we do have a dynamics. So we're just going to add this to our steering wheel, and yeah, we'll be able to have push to talk on the steering wheel, push to talk for the passenger. Really awesome. The cable that comes with it, I can tell you right off the bat, these are the cables for, I believe, the rest of the headsets and stuff. But what I noticed is it has a really nice protective covering on it compared to some of the other just feels like you could put your nail through somebody's covering. This is like a flexible hard coating almost. It almost feels like a Rhino liner, but obviously it's not. But that's the only thing I could compare it to, that I would think that it kind of feels a little different than some of the other cables, you know, across the industry, not just on communication, but on a lot of different things. So let's go ahead and open this up. More stickers, instructions, some wiring. We're going to go ahead and get this all opened up for you. So this is your Trax Plus control box. Has your squelch and all your stuff, your master volume. Obviously it's going to give you your indicators here. Again, plug and play. Your headsets go into the back here. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool setup. That's where your headsets are going to go. Driver push talk, I'm not sure if we take these. I'm not going to touch nothing until I read. So I believe that these are your push talks plug into. That's the controller right there. All your buttons, your LED indicator lights. Again, plug and play right into the other harnesses. I mean, it's just, it looks pretty from my first impressions compared to, you know, other stuff that we install, whether it be rock lights, whips, you know, some turn signal kits. A lot of those are plug and play now as well, but my initial impression is this install should go pretty smooth. There's not a whole lot to it, and it just looks like they kind of figured everything out and just did it the right way once and sent it from there pretty much. So yeah, pretty awesome. That's everything that's in this kit. And again, shout out to PCI Race Radios. Thank you for sponsoring our car. We really appreciate it. All this stuff is going to be available on our website. By the time you see this video, it'll all be online. So give us a call. We'll go ahead and get you guys hooked up. I can always look if there's any promo codes, anything going on. I'm not sure, but I'll check at the time. Feel free to give us a call. Reach out to us on Facebook. If you can, like and subscribe to this video channel, you know, do that whole thing. And we appreciate you guys. We'll be back here with an install on this shortly. And again, thank you very much for all the support, and we'll catch you on the next one.